Hello, my name is Joan Codina, professor at la Universitat Pompeu Fabra, and in this video we are going to talk about the Aferro license. What is it? Aferro licenses are free software licenses thought for web or internet-based applications characterized by the fact that the users of the software must have access to the source code. The producer of the software forces that no one could sell web services based on the software without redistributing it, differing from other licenses where only the ones that receive the software have the right to get the code, but not the users of it. Why it was created? While developing an e-learning and e-service business model, Henry Paul and Richard Stallman met to discuss some legal loopholes that could be produced by the use of the GPL version 2, as is the case of the application service provider loophole of the GPL version 2. That is produced when a company uses a software to provide a service but is not forced by the GPL version 2 to provide the code for the users. In contrast, the Aferro license is based on the idea of a software that is able to print its own source code, or in a web page to have the download source feature. Nowadays, it is possible to find different versions, the Aferro General Public License version 1 and version 2, and then the GNU Aferro General Public License version 3, launched in November 2007. License principles. The Aferro General Public License is based on the copyleft concept to guarantee the freedoms stated by the Free Software Foundation: the freedom to run the program, the freedom to study and adapt it, the freedom to redistribute, and the freedom to redistribute your changes so the others can benefit from them, together with the remote network interaction clause. If the program is modified, the modified version must prominently offer all users interacting with it remotely an opportunity to receive the corresponding source and not charge, and includes a disclaimer. Viral license. A special care needs to be taken when software under the Aferro is combined with other types of licenses. For this reason, it's called to be viral, because they cannot be distributed with non-free software, regarding the fact that their copyleft concepts come from the philosophy that what it has been provided to you as free must remain in the same way. Therefore, in order to force this, they cannot be distributed, linked, or combined with non-free software, even that, in this case, this principle also applies to the users that access the software. That is, when doing web services under the Aferro license, all users must have access to all the code, and this means that it cannot be combined with software which is not able to provide their sources. Conclusions. How it could be defined, this license, with three short sentences? First, it is the Internet license. Second, it allows to use parts of the code or the whole of it under special permissions. And third, it is necessary to provide the source not only to the ones that provide the software, but also to the ones who use it.